Hi guys, I am Asmith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food recipe. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make vegan mayonnaise. Alright, so this recipe is so easy, and I know I say that every video, but this recipe is really easy. Alright, so let's just dive in, and I'm going to show you what to do. Okay, so for this recipe, you are going to need 1 cup of almonds soaked for at the least 4 hours. Or you can soak it for more. Sometimes I leave it overnight in the fridge. So it's totally up to you. So 1 cup of almonds. And then you're going to rinse and drain them. The next thing you're going to need is 3/4 cups of water. And that water is preferably distilled water. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of agar, which is like a sea vegetable. And it's kind of going to give this mayonnaise is thickening agent. And then you're going to need some salt, some minced onion, 1 lemon squeezed, and then some oil. So let's just dive right in and let me show you how easy this is. All right, so what you're going to do, actually, got to pour some water off my blender. All right, so what you're going to do is dump the almonds into there. So I already rinsed them and drained them. Next thing I do is just dump the water into there. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the agar powder. So I'm also going to show you guys how this look. This is actually a gift to me, but I'm pretty sure they might have got this from the Asian store. Okay, so the next thing I'll need is 2 teaspoons of onion powder. I mean, sorry, not onion powder, onion flakes. So 1, 2. And then the next thing I'm going to need is 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You know, I forgot to mention that I'm going to mention after I add the salt is dates. You also need dates with the seeds removed. So you're gonna need 3 of those. I usually soak them just so that they're softer. They can be kind of harsh in the blender, but you want to make sure all the pits are out so that you don't ruin your blender. So that's 3 dates. And some lemon juice, 1 squeezed lemon. So, and I'm going to have the recipe in the description. So if you need to slow down and just look at it plain, you can do that. So I'm going to go ahead and blend this for like 1 minute. But as I'm blending that, I'm going to begin to add the oil to it. If need be, you can add some more water. I usually don't, but you can. You want a little bit more creamier. So I'm just gonna blend. I want a little bit more smoother than this. I'm going to have to add a little bit more water. Sorry, guys. This one a little creamier than this. So you'll do it by eye. Also, with this mayonnaise, you can season it the way you want to season it. It's totally up to you. there's my mayonnaise. I'm going to show you guys it. It's all creamy now. So here's my mayonnaise. And usually with mayonnaise, I do need to eat it on something, but I'm just tasting it. So with this, you want to season. You can add, you know, paprika. Season it any way you want. This is a little bland. So you want to season this according to your taste buds. But if you're going to be making something like coleslaw, which I am tomorrow, with the mayonnaise, you may just want to wait on it till you see my next video so you can be inspired. All right. Until next time, have a great, oh, I forgot. If you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.